Here's one for some summertime fun, just in at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1987 BMW 325i convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, actually been in the same family for 15 years or better. 78,626 on the odometer. Underneath the hood, 2.5 liter inline six single overhead cam. Automatic transmission. Take a look at the grille, bumper, see driving lights, of course the BMW logo on the hood, gray exterior, black leather interior, as well as a black fabric roof. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle, top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay. Still pictures are seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And, of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Toyo radial tires. Plenty of tread left on those. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. BMW wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this car has been well maintained. Exterior in very nice condition. You're going to have maybe a touch-up here or there, or a blemish. It's a 1987, but overall, definitely well taken care of. There's actually a whole folder of miscellaneous service receipts and owner's manual, service manual, car cover. That's all going to go with this car, as well as the windscreen storage bag. And I'll show you that in just a second. As you can see, up and down this passenger side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Black leather interior. Bucket seat, center console. Aftermarket stereo has been professionally installed, and that is in working order. The original stereo is in the box, along with some halogen headlights. It appears they replaced the speakers. That is going to be in that box right there. Some miscellaneous aftermarket cup holders, it appears. There's that folder of miscellaneous receipts, manuals, windscreen storage bag. All that's going to go with this car. And again, check out all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. I have the windscreen on the car, so you'll be able to see it both ways, as well as convertible top up. And we'll show you that in this video too. I'll fold it up, latch it, run up the power windows. But first, let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see paint has a decent shine to it. Once again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Didn't notice a little piece, just trim piece around that antenna. It's missing. Nothing that's going to impede how it functions. Once again, nice shine. If you like these imports, especially the mid-80s, seems like we get a lot of those. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars, or just like cars in general. It's worth subscribing to. All right, door panels. You can see power mirror switch up here. Manual bucket seats, very comfortable seats. Bolster, not ripped or torn, a little bit of wear on the leather. Just a little discoloration more than anything. A little bit of leather shoe polish would do a nice job on that. All right, let's go ahead and check out the exact miles I was talking about. So there you go, 78,626. All right, clock is working. So if I remember how I ran the stereo, push it, power up. Radio is on. Close the door so the ding goes away. And as you can see, radio is working. Top of the dash looking good. Power window switch is down here. Of course, it's a manual top. And once again, I will show you how that folds up and down. Let's go ahead and forward folding. We'll get to that in just a second. How our antenna works. Let's listen. Say that sounds as you would expect. Alright, and engine bay. First of all, look how clean that hood liner is. And here it is. Once again, 2.5 liter inline single overhead cam 6-cylinder. This car does have AC. Technician noted the compressor will kick on and off. It's still R12, did not blow cold, just so you're aware of that. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let me go ahead and get the tripod set up. I want to show you how this convertible top works, show you the condition of that, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. And as simple as that, convertible top up. As you can see, one person can do it pretty easy and quickly. Nice fit above the windshield. Side glass rolled up. Nice tight fit there too. This top looks like it's new. Appears to be the factory top also, which I'm sure this car was driven with it down the majority of the time. But if you need it to keep you out of the sun or a shower, it's not going to have any problems doing that. And again, you'll be able to see close-ups in the still pictures if you want to look through it. The only spots where I've seen just a little bit of wear is there, and that is being awful fussy, especially for a 1987. There you go, side glass on the passenger side, nice fit also. I don't believe I mentioned earlier, it is power steering, power brakes also. All right, I will show you that being folded back down into the storage compartment before Jason takes it for a drive. But there you go, 1987 BMW 325i convertible. Clean Carfax, actual mile car, no accidents indicated, 78,626 on the odometer. Been in the same family for the past 15 years or better. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1987 BMW 325i. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. It is a beautiful day in Minnesota to drive around with a drop top. Our turn signal indicators are working. This is an automatic on the center console. So just push your foot down and go. It's a fun little car, I must say. If you're getting any wind noise, that's just the nature of driving with the top down. Continental stereo sounds good. Fuel gauge is showing completely full. Our speedometer is working, showing we're doing about 50 miles an hour. The tachometer also working. There's a miles per gallon estimator right there. The more you push the throttle, the lower that gets, believe it or not. Temperature gauge, a little under half right here. That's all looking good. For the battery and oil pressure and brakes, there are warning lights that would light up. The blower motor does blow air on this car. Power windows, separate push buttons, a little different design from BMW. Works very well. Also very comfortable bucket seats in this car. I am 6'1" and I fit in this car just fine. They designed it very well for any size person. Corners good. I'd say corners well. In 87, they were leaning between luxury and sport. And it feels that. It feels very nice on the road. Letting go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. A fun car from BMW, German engineered 1987 325i convertible. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.